Welcome to a new lesson here at FN-FOREX Academy where we learn, trade, and succeed. Before we dive in, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's grow and succeed together.
Okay, so in this session, we are going to be looking at Forex trading sessions. Forex trading sessions. Normally, the market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. But within that 24 hours a day, we have different sessions that each session is coming and closing. Each session comes and closes. This session open at a particular time and close at a particular time. And with these sessions, there are some sessions that are more volatile than other sessions, right? So we're going to look at the 4 different sessions. We have the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday, but it moves in cycles based on the 4 main trading sessions. So we have the Sydney session that starts at 10 p.m. and closes at 7 a.m., right? That's Sydney. These are the different major centers. Then we have the Tokyo session that starts at 12 a.m., right? And closes at 9 a.m. Tokyo, Hong Kong. Then we have the London session, right? That starts at 8 a.m. and closes at 5 p.m., right? These are the different centers. Then we have New York session that starts at 1 p.m. and closes at 10 p.m. So there are some of these sessions that overlap. Why another one is almost closing, another one opens. For example, London session, while London session is going to close, New York session opens when London session is still open, but almost going to close. So we are going to look at more details. Let's go down. The best time to trade, right? And take note, the sessions is going to vary depending on your location. The sessions is going to vary depending on your location. The majority of Africa, most of us in Africa, we are going to be having London session opening at 8 a.m. to close around 5 p.m. And we are going to be having New York session opening at 1 p.m., 1:30 p.m., right? To close at 10 p.m. Now, the most volatile session is the London session and the New York session. The London session and the New York session. For us in Africa, we have the advantage. One of the advantages we have when it comes to this session is that during the most active sessions, we are up. Unlike the Americans, where if they have to trade the London session, then they have to get up very early as 2 a.m., 3 a.m. to see that they can trade the London session, because the London session is also a good session, right? If for us in Africa, you get up 8 a.m. in the morning or 7 a.m. in the morning, you are ready, analyze your market, you are ready to get in. During the day, 1:30 p.m., New York session open, volatility is coming in, you are active, right? So that's one advantage we have with our time zone. So the London session, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., the most volatile and liquidated session, best pairs to trade, right? The best pairs to trade during the London session from London, GBP, Great British Pounds, right? So the best pairs to trade during the London session, we have GBP USD, we have Euro USD, and we have GBP JPY. Those are the best pairs to trade during that particular time. High volume, good for intraday trades. High volume, high liquidity. When there's liquidity in the market, what happens? The market moves, giving you opportunities to make profit, right? Or also make losses, right? Because volatility, if you don't get the volatility right, you easily make losses. So we have the GBP USD, Euro USD, DJ. Those are the best pairs to trade during the London session. Then we have the New York session that opens at around 1 p.m. The New York session overlap with London session, right? So the New York session, as it is opening, London session is still open. London session is still open, while the New York session open. So overlap with London session, the most exclusive moves happens. This is the highest time where the market is very volatile. New York session opening. We have the highest volatility in the market during that particular time. The best pairs to trade, we have Euro USD, we have USD JPY, we have GBP USD, we have XAU USD. That is gold. So you see that these pairs have USD. So the pairs that have USD during the New York session, the USD, the US market, the US companies are booming, transactions are going on. The USD has more liquidity, right? So key news like NFP, CPI, FOMC drop during this time. These are one of the main news events we have in the month. These news events are news events that affects USD. NFP is the news that affect employment rate, right? Employment and unemployment rate. CPI, Consumer Price Index. That was the news we had yesterday. Consumer Price Index, where we had a buy on gold. Then we have FOMC, interest rate. So these news events always come out during New York session, mostly during New York session opening 1:30 p.m., 2:30 p.m. That's when these news events always come. So these are the two best sessions to trade: the London session and the New York session. Then we have the Tokyo and the Sydney session, right? That's generally, you can generally categorize them under the Asian session, the Tokyo and the Sydney session. So the Tokyo session opens 12 a.m. and closes at 9 a.m. Slower pace, but still tradable, right? So these sessions are very slow, but it's still tradable. You can still trade them. Best for GJ, that's GP JPY, Japanese yen, pairs like USD JPY, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, often set the early trend for the day, right? So they often set the early trend for the day during this early morning period, AM, from 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. So you can always trade the Japanese yen pairs. They have a little bit of volatility, but if you look at other pairs like maybe the GU, look at the USD pairs, they're always very slow. Then we have the Sydney session, right? The Sydney session right here. So the Sydney session from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Less volatile, market just warming up, right? So the market is almost very consolidating. The market always consolidates during this period, right? So the market is just consolidating and waiting for London session to open. So from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m., the Sydney session is open. Useful for AUD, that's Australian dollars, and NZD, New Zealand dollars pairs, if there's a local news. And some local news, there are always some local news on NZD that always comes out during this period. It will help with volatility. So this is just to make you understand that if you want to trade at a particular time, let's say you're trading the Sydney session, or at this time of the day, then you should know the pairs that you should be looking at. If you want to trade during the Tokyo session, you should know the pairs that you should be looking at. If you want to trade during the New York session or the London session, you should know the pairs that you should be looking at, right? Most volatile time of the day. The most volatile times of the day is London, New York overlap, right? London, New York overlap. This time the market is very volatile. Best time between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. These are the most volatile periods of the day. Then that is when both big players are active. Spread tight, volume peak, big moves happen. Okay, quick tip: don't trade all day. Focus on one session that fits your lifestyle. You might be a worker, you're working during this time. Maybe you're free only doing the London session. Okay, stick to the London session. You're free doing the New York session, stick to the New York session. But if you're a full-time trader, you probably should look at both, all the sessions, even. As we speak now, the Sydney session is about to get in. I'm still looking at my chart, just watching the chart, right? Understanding what is happening, getting familiar with the movements on the chart. So it does not give you that barrier, but you should focus on some particular pairs. If you're trading a particular pair, then you know the session you should pay more attention to. So that is that for the different sessions, right? So we have the different sessions. At the end of the day, my recommendation is that if you have time, look at all the sessions, understand the movement of all the sessions. Normally, you cannot be up for all the sessions because you know be up 24 hours a day. But London session, New York session, perfectly okay for you to analyze and trade the market. Volatilities are there. Volatility come in, give you enough opportunities to get in, make profit, and
Create your trading account, use XNES, fast withdrawals, tight spread, and 24/7 support. Click the link down in the description to create your trading account with the recommended broker, and let's get started.